My job as a doctor. My name is Sarah. I am 33 years old. I am a doctor, and I help people when they are sick or hurt. I work in a hospital. I became a doctor because I want to help people feel better. It is a very important job, and I love it. When I was 23 years old, I started my job as a doctor. I was very excited, but I was also a little nervous. I woke up early and put on my white doctor's coat. I felt happy but scared because it was my first day at work. My first patient was an older man. He had a cough. I asked him questions about how he felt. I checked his temperature and listened to his heart. I gave him some medicine. I felt proud when he said, "Thank you, doctor." It was a small thing, but it made me feel like I was doing the right job. Now, I am 33 years old. I have been a doctor for 10 years. Every day, I see many patients. Some people come with a cold, a headache, or a fever. Other people have serious problems, like a broken bone or heart pain. I listen to them, check their body, and give them medicine or advice to feel better. One thing I love is talking to children. Sometimes, they are scared of the hospital, but I try to make them laugh. I tell them funny stories or give them stickers. It's nice when they smile and feel better. I also talk to people's families. Sometimes, patients need help at home. I tell their family members how to help them stay healthy. There are many interesting moments in my job. One time, a woman came to see me. She was pregnant, and she was very happy. She wanted to know how to stay healthy during her pregnancy. I gave her advice, and a few months later, she came back to the hospital to have her baby. It was a beautiful moment to see the baby for the first time. Another time, a young boy broke his leg. He was in pain, but I helped him. I put a bandage on his leg and gave him medicine. He was so happy when I told him he would feel better soon. He said, "Thank you, doctor." It made me feel proud. If you want to become a doctor, here is my advice. 1. Study hard. Being a doctor means you need to learn a lot. It can be difficult, but it is very important. 2. Listen to your patients. People come to the doctor because they need help. You should always listen carefully to their problems. 3. Be kind and patient. Sometimes, patients are scared or nervous. It's important to be kind and calm to help them feel better. 4. Ask for help if you need it. No doctor knows everything. If you don't know something, it's okay to ask other doctors or nurses for help. Now, after 10 years, I feel more confident in my job. Every day is different. Some days are easy, and some days are hard. Sometimes, I feel tired, but I always try my best to help people. I like being a doctor because I can make people feel better and help them live a happy life. When I go home at the end of the day, I feel happy because I know I helped someone. Being a doctor is not easy, but it is very rewarding. I love my job, and I am proud of the work I do. Being a doctor is a great job. You help people feel better when they are sick or hurt. It is not always easy, but it is very important. My first day as a doctor was a little scary, but now, after 10 years, I feel good in my job. My advice to anyone who wants to be a doctor is to study hard, listen to patients, and always be kind. I am proud to be a doctor, and I love helping people.